Hello traders. In this short video tutorial, we will show you how to use the RSI Divergence Indicator, made by MyIndicators, to be used exclusively on the NT8 platform. First, like always, please follow the instructions provided in the PDF. Once you have downloaded the indicator and added it into NT8, take the following steps. Open a chart. Select Instrument. And then go to Indicators. Select RSI Divergence from the list. Once done, configure the indicator to fit your trading preferences, such as parameters, visuals, line colors, etc. And don't forget to add your activation email. Once you're done, select Apply. Here's a demonstration of how the indicator works. Hope this short video tutorial was useful, and let us know what you think. Thanks again for watching another MyIndicators tutorial.